generate a portrait of an American woman in golden hours with 35 mm lens, f1.8 aperture. Here we go. Beautiful, right? Now generate a portrait of a beautiful woman wearing scarf. Here we have it. Now generate a beautiful landscape with lake, mountain and sunlight. Impressive. As you can see, I have generated some really good images inside of Chatgpt, and I'm not using any paid subscription, and I'm not even using any kind of plugin. So how is this possible? Let me show you. As we all know that AI is always dependent on our prompts, and I found that magical prompt that gives this power to Chatgpt. So here is this magical prompt. I know this is a lengthy prompt, but it works. You will act as an image prompt generator. I'll describe you an image to you and you will create a prompt that could be used for image generation. And you can see this link in this prompt. I'll describe that later. What is this about? So just enter your prompt and now it will generate a random image. Then enter your prompt, describe whatever you want to generate. Let's say a cat wearing glasses. Just wait for it. I'm not gonna fast forward this video and see how fast it is. And look at the image quality. This is not bad actually. So it's not only generating the image, it's also generating prompts itself. And it captures the every detail like adjective, character details and style of an image. And you can see the watermark on that image, Pollination.net, and the URL in the prompt with this same name. So what it is? So this website Pollination.net allows you to generate images with URL, and you can see all of the images that people are generating using this URL. And it only works with ChatGPT, Reddit and YouTube. And I don't know about the other platforms like Reddit and YouTube, but yeah, it works really good with ChatGPT. And they have also mentioned that from now, Pollination redirect its focus on AI music creation and an exciting real-time impressive AI product called Dream Machine, which will be launched very soon. So in near future, we will also be able to generate music videos inside of ChatGPT. And I tried to use this same prompt with Google Bard, but it came up with this message. That's not something I'm able to do yet, but it works really well with ChatGPT. Doesn't matter you are using GPT-3 model or GPT-4, it works good for both. And I know it's not gonna replace the tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, but it's fun to play with this tool. So that was a quick video to generate images inside of ChatGPT with just a single prompt. And if you guys are in the world of AI, make sure to subscribe Planet AI, and I'll see you in the next one.